Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Polio Jr. And today I'm going to show you how to use Kwikset's SmartKey, which looks like this and comes with a lot of new Kwikset locks. Now, we have a new lock here, and which came with two keys. And I still have about 4 or 5 old keys that were on the old lock. And so I don't want to go out and make copies. I just want to make sure all the old keys will work in the new one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to change the existing key to a newer key or to a different key. It doesn't matter. The keys could even be a couple years old. So this one with the green head here is the current lock. You can see that. Okay? And now I'm going to grab this blue one just to show you that this one will not work whatsoever. So the blue one's going back, and we're going to grab the green one. So this is our existing key. So door has to be open, and we should have it in the lock, the lock in the lock position. So a little bit of grease on there. All right. So from there, what we're going to do is insert the new key, insert the existing key, and then from there, we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. Okay? And then from there, we're going to insert the SmartKey tool that comes with the Kwikset locks. And you can see it faces this way. Okay, so what we're going to do is just push this in. You can see the little hole in there. We're going to push this in as firmly as possible. And when you do it, you actually hear a little click. Okay, so after that, we actually remove the SmartKey. So we're done with the SmartKey. This is really, really simple. And now we are going to remove their current key, which is that one. So this was the existing key, the green one. And now we're going to get the blue one and put it back in the same way we had the other one. And from there, we are going to rotate this 180 degrees counterclockwise. So just like that. And then we're going to rotate it 180 degrees clockwise. And once we're at that position, we want to make sure that it doesn't pull out. If it doesn't pull out, you're in good shape. So now the key should be, so the existing key, so the key that was initially for this will not work in this anymore. So this is our new key, and it's working perfectly. And now we're going to go and just double check and make sure the green key was the initial key, and we're going to make sure that that doesn't work, and it doesn't. So yeah, very easy to switch keys with the Kwikset SmartKey. So I hope this helped you guys out. It's really cool. Like I said, initially I had when we bought the new lock, it only came with 2 keys, but we still had, about 4 or 5 of our other keys. So instead of making copies, you just use the SmartKey and then change it to this key, and now all the other keys that are like this, or all the other keys that are like the older one, will now work for this lock. So it's extremely easy to use. And that's it. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.